Your phone can actually save your life in an emergency. But only if you set it up the right way. In today's video on Highly Practicals, I'll show you how to add an emergency contact to your phone step by step. A simple trick that could make a big difference when it matters most. And by doing this simple settings, anyone who picks up your phone can reach out to your family member or anyone near you for an immediate help in case of emergency, even if your phone is locked. Without wasting much time, let's get into this tutorial step by step. Open your phone main settings. Then scroll down to Safety and Emergency option and click on it. Now tap on this Emergency Contacts. Click on Add Contact. Then look through all the contacts you have. And click on the contact of the person you trust the most to be added to your emergency contacts. And please note that the number which you will use as your emergency contact can be changed at any time you want. And you can add many contacts as you want as your emergency contacts. So in case of an emergency, when someone picks up your phone and click on the emergency on your phone's lock screen, that person can find your emergency contacts by switching this icon to the right side. And the person clicking on this phone icon can reach out to the people you added their contacts as your emergency contacts for immediate help. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Highly Practicals for more smart and practical tech tips that make life easier. And that's how you add an emergency contact on your phone. Now, no matter what happens, the right people can be reached quickly. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video, here on Highly Practicals.